friends, myself Dr. T. Sudarshan Rama Perumal. Today we are going to see about TCP IP Suite. So first we are going to see about the introduction of TCP IP Suite. TCP is a transmission control protocol. It's an internet protocol suite. It's a set of communication protocol used for the internet and other similar networks. It is named from two of the most important protocols, the transmission control protocol and internet protocol, which were the first two networking protocols defined in its standards. We compare the OSI model with TCP IP suite. In the OSI model, application, presentation and session layer, here we consider only the application layers, and from OSI transport layer, here also we consider the transport layer, and OSI model we have the network layer, here we have inter networking model, and OSI model data link layer, physical layer. Combinedly we say that here link and physical layers. Functions of layers, application layers. In the application layer we do the email with the help of SMTP, network management SNMP, transport layer end-to-end message integrity, and internet connectionless best effort protocol delivery, and network interface almost any network technologies. And the comparison of OSI with the TCP model. Application layer. This layer is comparable to the application, presentation and session layers of the OSI model, all combined into one. It provides a way for applications to have access to network devices. This layer also contains the high-level protocols. The main issues with this layer is the ability to use both TCP and UDP protocols. For example, TFTP uses UDP because usually on LAN the physical links are short enough to ensure quick and reliable packet delivery without any errors. SMTP instead uses TCP because of the error checking capability. Since we consider our email important information, we would like to ensure a safe delivery. User datagram protocol offering a direct way to send and receive datagram over the IP network with very few error recovery services. Triable file transfer protocol, similar version of the FTP protocol which has no security features. They host your laptop. Application layer, here we use the HTTP, and transport layer we use the TCP, network layer we use the IP and data link layers, and media of data transfer, and we receive the data and given to the data link layers and then network layers, and then it will go to transport layer and then finally application layers, and we receive the web server. Transport layer, this layer acts as the delivery services used by the application layer. Again, two protocols used are TCP and UDP. The choice is made based upon the application transmission reliability requirements. The transport layer also handles an error detection, error and recovery. It uses checksum, acknowledgement and timeouts to control transmission and end-to-end verification. Unlike the OSI model, TCP treats reliability as an end-to-end problem. Internet. This layer is also known as internet layer. The main purpose of this layer is to organize and handle the movement of the data on the network. By movement of data, we generally mean routing of data over the network. The main protocol used at this layer is IP, while ICMP and IGMP are also used these layers. A network layer. This layer is also known as network interface layer. This layer normally consists of devices delivered in the OSI and network interface card attached on the system. Both the devices, drivers and the network interface card take care of the communication details, with the media being used to transfer the data over the network. In most of these cases, this media is in the form of cables. Some of the famous protocols that are used in the layer include ARP, point-to-point protocol. Thank you.